So I just want to take a minute to talk about argumentative text, and we're just going to keep working on this for the next couple of weeks. So you're going to hear some of the same things over and over, but mostly because this is something new. Like, this isn't something we really talk about a lot in elementary, and so I really want to make sure that we understand it and we understand the vocabulary that goes with it. So when authors write an argumentative text, or sometimes you may see it as a persuasive text, they write it because they want you to believe or do something. So let's think about some of the books we read. We read the book, the Crayons, The Day the Crayons Quit. Okay, well, in that book, the author was claiming what she was claiming, and she wanted us to believe, or the Crayons wanted us to believe, is that they needed a break. And so they were trying to persuade or argue their point of why they needed a break. Think about the book Thank You, Sarah. Sarah really believed and wanted us to believe, or to persuade us, or to argue the point that Thanksgiving should be a holiday. Like, she firmly believed that this is what it should be, and she did not give up on that. And so authors write to persuade you to believe or to do something. So when you're reading a text and you're like, oh, they're really passionate about that, or oh, they really want me to do that, that needs to click in your mind. Oh, this is a persuasive text, or this is an argumentative text, and they are trying to claim something. They are trying to prove something. And so I just wanted to take just a minute to kind of talk about that. And I want you to really get in your mind that word claim. We are claiming what we believe in, and that is the key word that we're going to see in an argumentative text.